All right, I think I lost my voice doing all the yard work. So cleaned out all the paths, used some weed killer on the pathways a couple days ago, so I'm going to try to do that a little more on the paths for the growth. Trimming the hedges. This will eventually be underground. It's to periodically fill up the bird baths so they have fresh water. Coming down the path, see that I have to rake a lot to get through the pavers. I also did a little bit of cleaning up this path and the side here. This is where the raking comes, but I am exhausted, so I'm going to do that tomorrow. You can see all of the stuff on the ground is everything I trimmed. Got my electric hedge trimmers and a pair of clips to get the bigger stuff. Big pile of stuff here. Big piles of stuff here to get this pathway, which is now much easier to walk through. That was the point. There's some things I might have to cut back a little bit. Coming back here, back to the front of the house. This was sort of overgrown. This, of course, was too. Trim this all back. Now it's a nice open pathway. Again, the ground needs a raking so you can actually see the pavers that are following the path. One of my big piles of stuff and trimmings. That's the neighbor dog, Nuna, short for lunatic. Little Doberman pincher, mini Doberman pincher, cutie pie. And Charlie too. So back up through the pathway. Here's through the side. And then back to where I started. Hey Charlie and Luna. And yeah. So now I'll do the raking tomorrow to get it all cleaned up, and after that's done, put a little more weed killer down. And when that's done, do the blowing of the pathways so that get all the dust and dirt off. I also have a edger that I'm going to edge the paths with. After that, a little bit of cleaning of the weeds and stuff that have grown up in the middle. I don't know what's a weed and what's actually a flower, so that'll take some time. But yeah, I think it's looking very nice. With bumblebees and butterflies flying around. That's my Zen garden.